In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Payhip password. Let's start from your Payhip dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, choose Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page, where all of your personal and store information is managed. On the settings page, you'll notice several different tabs, usually arranged across the top or along the side. Look for the tab called Login Settings and click on it. This is the section where you control how you access your account, including your email and password details, so it's an important area to get familiar with. At the top of the Login Settings page, you'll see a heading that says something along the lines of, "Would you like to edit your email or password?" And just below that, there are two options: Edit Email and Edit Password. For this tutorial, we're focusing on changing your password, so click on Edit Password. Once you've selected that, the page will display three fields for you to fill out. In the first field, enter your current Payhip password. This step is there for security reasons, to make sure it's really you who's making the change. In the second field, type in the new password that you want to use. Try to choose something strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name or simple number sequences. In the third field, you'll need to re-enter the same new password. This confirmation helps ensure that there are no typos and that the system saves exactly what you intended. After you've filled in all three fields carefully, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the button labeled Save Settings. When you do this, the page may reload. In many cases, you'll also see a confirmation message or a small pop-up at the top of the screen, letting you know that your password has been successfully updated. Once you see that confirmation, your new password is active. The next time you log into Payhip, remember to use the new password you just created. That's all there is to it.